Based on a new study, a group of scientists is now calling for a moratorium on issuing mountaintop removal mining permits. The group's findings are now in a new report appearing tomorrow in the journal Science. And those authors presented their study today at the National Press Club. Clean Sky's Lee Patrick Sullivan was there for the release. He joins us now from our newsroom. And Lee, to be very clear here, this is a report focusing on the impact to human health from a result of this kind of mining.
Yes, Tyler, that was the biggest impact. The group of scientists says that after years of research, they've concluded that surface mining, also known as mountaintop removal, causes irreversible damage to the environment and causes local residents to be exposed to serious health problems. Now, those health problems include higher rates of lung cancer, chronic heart, lung, and kidney disease. Now, the authors also took into account inadequate access to education and health services in the report, and they say even with those factors taken out, the area in the Appalachian coal country still has a higher mortality rate when it relates to those health problems. Now, the group of scientists took the rare stance of asking for a halt to all mining permits in the area.
The Obama administration really has asked for policy to follow science. And because of that, and because of the fact that this team independently evaluated all the lines of scientific information that are relevant to this study, and the results were so clear-cut, we made the recommendation, which is somewhat unusual for a group of scientists, that mountaintop mining permits should be halted. There's overwhelming scientific evidence of the impact of this on the environment and the impacts of surface mining on health.
Now, Tyler, as you know, we've had proponents of surface mining here on Clean Skies News, and they point to the mining companies' plans and efforts to revegetate the areas. Now, this report says that the new growth vegetation only has 77% effectiveness to reducing CO2, and when it comes to the soil content, they say that the new soil that is put down in that area takes nearly 10,000 years to regain its mineral content. Tyler?
All right, Lee, all of those findings in the journal Science being released tomorrow. Lee Patrick Sullivan, thank you very much.